Earn 5 Kula for completing the Telegram social bounty. Hold at least 600 Kula tokens, join the Kulaplaza Telegram channel and group, post a message in the group and invite 3 of your friends. Locate the Telegram bounty section, on the airdrops and rewards page. Click on the links to join the Kulaplaza Telegram channel and group. Select Join Channel. Select Join Group. Post a message, and make a screenshot, as you will need it later. Invite 3 of your friends by adding them into the group. Once completed, you can log in to your ICO account to claim the Telegram bounty reward. Select Bounty from the menu. Scroll down to locate the Telegram bounty and click on Apply. Provide your Telegram username in the notes, add the screenshot and click on Submit. Once you have successfully completed the bounty, 5 Kula tokens will be added to your ICO account, upon approval by Kulaplaza. Check out the other bounties to earn even more rewards.